Okay, now before we start to develop, actually, I want to show how we can a little bit improve our security, as I said, by connect to our server by SSH droplet and not with the email authentication. So let's see how we can do this. First, I want to delete my connection from the configuration file in the Visual Studio Code, and I want to close this connection. Okay. Next, what I want to do is go to DigitalOcean and we're going to delete our droplet. This is the beauty of DigitalOcean, that we can just destroy and start a new one with no problems. So after we confirm, our droplet has been destroyed, which is good, because now we're gonna just create a new one in a few steps as we did before. So let's create a new droplet with Ubuntu machine. Go with the basic plan, but now we choose the SSH keys as connection to our server. I have few keys here, but I'm gonna show the whole process, how you can generate your own key and how it's work exactly. If you go to your terminal, let's exit here and start a new one. Okay, if we start a new terminal and we type SSH, actually we have this instruction here in the okay, so we can copy it from here actually. Okay, so here we have the instructions how to connect with the SSH. We can copy the commands here even from here. Okay, so first we want to copy this command. Okay, go to our terminal, we just paste it in and we create a new SSH. Yes, I want to override this file. Okay, we just leave it empty, and this is empty as well. And now after we create our key, okay, we just want to add it. So we copy this command because we want to know what is our key. Okay, so now we just need to copy the key that we got generated with our machine and to paste it over here. Okay, we can name it Mac. Okay, so now after we generate the new key, we can connect with our droplet, we can create our new droplet. And then we'll go to our Visual Studio to connect a little bit more securely with our new server. And then we'll go to our Visual Studio to connect a little bit more securely with our new server. So after we generate the public IP from DigitalOcean, we can copy it from here and go back to our Visual Studio Code. Now, how we add this extension? Just a few steps. You go to the extension button here on the left side. Okay. Remote development. Okay, and we install this extension, and now we can go and connect to our brand new server. Click enter. So now we authenticated with the root password, actually with the root connection to our server. Let's open a terminal to see that we connected now as root. Let's go back and create a user as we did earlier. Okay, so after we connected, we just add user. We name the new user Dave. We give it password. We retype our password. We can skip these steps and click yes to inform. Okay, so now after we have the user, we give it the privilege. And then we set up the basic firewall.